What is this called?
Cucumber. Cucumber.
Cucumber. What is this called?
A bell pepper.
A bell pepper.
A bell pepper.
What is this called?
A carrot. A carrot.
A carrot. What is this called?
A potato. A tomato, yes.
A tomato.
Ah, a tomato.
What is this called?
Broccoli. Broccoli.
Broccoli. What is this called?
A potato. A potato.
A potato.
Yes.
What is this called?
Spinach.
Spinach.
Yes, spinach.
What is this called?
A radish. A radish.
A radish. What is this called?
Asparagus. Asparagus.
Asparagus. What is this called?
Garlic. Garlic. Follow for more.
Garlic.